The tiny black and thick-shaped cumin seed is most commonly known as black seeds, black cumin seeds, or Nigella Sativa. They are slightly curved with a rough distinct texture that makes them unique and easy to identify. Black cumin seed oil is one of the most popular supplements, and ancient healing ingredient in all over the world. It has shown tremendous effectiveness against a variety of health complications and issues. Raw seeds, seed oil, or seed extract have been used alone or in combination with other ingredients as a traditional medicine for over 2,000 years. Today, we will share the best 7 health benefits of this miraculous herb. Just add 1 teaspoon of black seed oil in your daily diet and get the highest benefits of these. Let's start. Black seed oil amazing health benefits. 1. Cancer treatment. In a 2014 study, researchers have found that the higher concentration of the oil significantly reduced the viability of colon cancer, lung cancer, brain tumor cells, and more. 2. Prevents diabetes. Black seed oil is a great natural remedy for diabetes. It has the ability to significantly lower blood pressure and help both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. It is helpful in improving your overall blood health. 3. Prevents muscle cramps and spasms. The antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory agents in black seed oil make it very helpful in preventing and easing muscle cramps or spasms. You can either consume it orally, or rub some oil on the affected areas to see instant results. 4. Reduces sinus infections. Using black seed oil for allergies can be one of the best ways to get better. Strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds in black seed oil provide quick relief to sinus infections. 5. Fights fungal infections. Fungal infections occur when bacteria grow on top of your skin, resulting in a variety of different diseases and rashes. Black seed oil has an effective antifungal and antibacterial properties that can extensively treat fungal infections like eczema, psoriasis, even acne. 6. Cure insomnia. Studies have shown that taking 1 teaspoon of black seed oil daily can be very effective for insomnia and other sleep disorders. It promotes natural deep sleep. 7. Boost weight loss. Being a natural antioxidant, it also aids in speeding up your metabolism, lowering your appetite and boost weight loss. Besides these, black seed oil has a vast amount of health benefits you can get from it. We will share more information and recipes about it. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with us.